The importance of quality as a competitive advantage.
Hi, I am Liz Samara Dominguez, and I am going to talk about quality and customers.
Quality must be customer-oriented because today the role of the customer has become more and more central. Companies must be able to move quickly to the change that there is in the market, constantly updating in order to meet the expectation of customers. A good company must always be one step ahead of its customers so that it can identify with greater attention the future needs that they are requiring or waiting. It is the customer who defines what quality is. Although every company must comprehensively analyze what is quality policy is. The customer is the one looking for a product or service to meet their own needs and demands. If a certain product works for him or not, the customer is the one who will give his opinion on the quality that each product provides. The company has to understand the situation and analyze how it may or might not affect itself. One way to stay one step ahead is to train employees to meet changing customer needs. Also, foster motivation and an ethical environment with values. In itself, the positive development of each members of a work team, so that they maintain clear priorities and standards. Another way is to build a culture where all team members are supported to make their own decisions. Thus, members are encouraged, inspired, and motivated to innovate and create new situations and ways of doing things, thus enhancing the advantage and offering the future success of the organization.
Hello, my name is Fernando Perez and I'm going to talk about why quality brings competitive advantage. The competitive advantage is any characteristic that isolates our company from competitors. We say that it is a sustainable competitive advantage when it remains over time. The competitive advantage refers to the characteristics or attributes of a product or brand that give certain superiority over its immediate competitors. I'm going to tell you about type of competitive advantage. We have the cost leadership. In this case, there is a competition to have a lower cost. Then we have the product differentiation. In this case, the sale price of the product will be higher compared with a higher quality product. We have the market segmentation, where you can have a better distribution of your product than your competitors. And then I'm going to talk about what is turning data into quality. I'm going to talk about digitalization that have created access to a vast amount of data concerning machine performance, product quality, or customer behavior. The ease and freedom with which content can be published on the network make it necessary for the user of digital information to adopt a zero criteria that help them filter electronic content and discern its veracity, credibility, reliability, and in general, the quality of the information that this medium provides us. At last, I'm going to talk about a company with with competitive advantage. The company that I'm going to talk is Amazon. Their main market is electronic commerce together with cloud computer services. Apart from online commerce, Amazon offers other services that separate it from this competition, since it has its own brand of physical products and cloud products, as well as streaming services such as Amazon Music or Amazon Prime Video, which can be included in your Amazon Prime membership. This is one of the clearest examples on worldwide, since almost completely dominates the market due to those kinds of differences and details that make the customer feel special. And that will be all from me. Thank you for your attention.